Banking, a comprehensive overview for the modern user. In an era where financial security and smart money management are of paramount importance, understanding the intricacies of banking is crucial. The banking sector, traditionally seen as a stalwart of any country's economy, has undergone significant changes over the past few decades. Today, for an upper intermediate learner of English, it is vital to grasp both the classic and the modern aspects of banking in order to use it effectively. The historical perspective. The concept of banking isn't a new one. It dates back to ancient civilizations, where temples often served as banks. The Greeks, for example, are known to have had a fairly sophisticated banking system. Back in those days, banking primarily centered around the deposit and lending of money. Fast forward to medieval Europe. Banking began to take the shape we recognize today, with the establishment of more structured institutions. The Bank of England, founded in 1694, is a prime example of how banking started to play a more central role in the governance and economic health of a nation. Modern banking. In the present day, banks are multifaceted institutions that offer a vast array of services beyond the simple deposit and lending. Current and savings accounts. These are the most common types of bank accounts. A current account, often called a check account, is typically used for daily transactions, while a savings account is designed to help individuals save money and earn a bit of interest. Loans and mortgages. Banks provide loans for various purposes, buying a house, starting a business, or education, to name a few. The bank charges interest on these loans, which is a primary source of revenue for them. Digital and online banking. One of the most significant advancements in modern banking is the shift to digital. Almost all major banks now have online platforms and mobile apps that allow customers to perform a myriad of tasks, from checking account balances to transferring money internationally, all at the touch of a button. Investment services. Many banks offer investment advice and solutions, helping clients grow their wealth. This includes services like portfolio management, stock trading, and mutual fund investments. Foreign exchange and international services. With globalization, the need for foreign currency and international banking services has surged. Banks today provide currency exchange, international transfers, and even global accounts for frequent travelers or businesses. Security measures in banking. As banks have evolved, so have the threats they face. Thus, security in banking is of utmost importance. Most banks now employ a two-factor authentication system for online transactions. Additionally, there's a constant update of firewalls and other digital security measures to protect customer data. On the physical side, the use of biometric verification, like fingerprint and facial recognition, is becoming increasingly common. Customers are also encouraged to regularly change passwords and use complex combinations to deter hackers. The role of central banks. At the heart of the banking system of any country is its central bank. In the UK, it's the Bank of England. Central banks are responsible for setting the country's monetary policy. This includes managing interest rates, controlling the nation's money supply, and ensuring the overall stability of the financial system. They act as the bank's bank, guiding the direction in which the country's banking system progresses. Challenges and the future. Banking is not without its challenges. With the digital era comes the constant threat of cyber attacks. Additionally, with the introduction of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the traditional banking system is being questioned. Furthermore, with the rise of fintech, financial technology startups, there's a genuine competition for traditional banks. These startups often provide niche services at a fraction of the cost and with much more user-friendly interfaces, challenging the traditional banking model. Nevertheless, banks are also adapting. They are continuously innovating, embracing technology, and improving customer services. The next few decades will likely see a more integrated global banking system, possibly a synergy between cryptocurrencies and traditional banking, and even more seamless digital banking experiences. Conclusion. Understanding banking, with its rich history and its constantly evolving nature, is crucial in today's world. Whether you're an individual looking to manage your finances or a business aiming to expand, a solid grasp of banking practices and trends can be immensely beneficial. With advancements in technology and the challenges posed by the digital age, it remains to be seen how banks will navigate the future. But one thing is clear: banking will always be a cornerstone of our global economy.